and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanae if this is your first time watching. If you're returning, hey girl, what's up? So today I have on this fringe. Can anyone guess what season it is? We've officially entered Coachella season! And no, I'm actually not going to Coachella this year. Beyonce outdid herself last year, so I don't know if I'll be going to any Coachellas, but I will definitely be going to the parties, because I will never skip up no free drink and some free food. Okay, so in this video today, we are going to be doing a Coachella look using NYX products and affordable products. I said NYX because I have so many NYX products I'm going to use. I have their eyeliners, I have some little glitter lipstick, so it's gonna be bomb. If you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm priming my face with the NYX Dew Me Up. This is a dewy primer. The thing I love about dewy primers, I mean, to be honest, when you're in Coachella Valley, it's so hot anyways, you won't need this. Your makeup will just automatically sweat to pieces. But this, if you're going to like different events and stuff like that, it's cute to look a little cute and dewy. You know, no one hates the dew. After priming my face, we're going to set that. I am using Old Faithful Makeup Revolution in the color Phantom, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. It was so funny because someone was telling me, oh, who's gonna outdo Beyonce? I'm sorry, that's not possible. Beyonce killed Coachella. The only way they will ever, I don't even think no one could ever outdo Beyonce. I mean, not in this generation, not in this time period, maybe like 30, 31, someone can outdo Beyonce, but what she brought to the table was fire. I mean, celebrities were running to see her. Celebrities. And the thing is, to be honest, when we were there, because like I said, when she came up on stage, they didn't have like 3 performers on the main stage. So normally how it works in Coachella is that they have they have like 7 or 8, maybe even more than that, different stages. But the main stages are like where the headliners go, like at the end of the night. But normally there are people back to back to back. So the headliners might have like maybe an hour and a half, or 30 minutes in between. But Beyonce, I kid you not, Beyonce had about 3 hours, maybe even 4 hours in between. Nobody was on that stage and people were lining up in 100-degree weather. Look, I love me some Beyonce, but I was not about to risk no faint, okay? I got my pictures, I got my videos, I got everything, but I was not about to risk my health waiting in 100-degree weather. No. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to prime our eyes. Well, really I'm just going to be putting a base down. I am using the throwback of the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. I remember back in the day, everybody used to use this color, even if it was too light for their skin. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyelid and then move it around generously. And I'm probably gonna put a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna pat it. So next I'm gonna take the Boss Mood palette. I did a review about this and the amazingness about this palette. It is very affordable. There's 35 shades and I believe it retails for about $24 to $25. So definitely a steal. Any Morphe's products, I'm here for them. I think I'm gonna go in with this like lime green shade. It is called Hello Sunshine. So this shade right here, Hello Sunshine. This is going to be my transition shade. So right underneath my crease, I'm going to go in with Daredevil. I'm just gonna pack it and press it right underneath my crease. No. Next, I'm going to take the Juivas Place, and then I'm going to go in with this beautiful yellow shade right here. The name is Nubia. Okay, so next I'm going to take Grape Expectations and then put that on top of the concealer. Okay, so I have my face on, and so I'm gonna finish up the look. For the lips, this is the Glitter Goals in the shade, what shade is this? X Infinity. So we're gonna see how this looks. This is supposed to be the one where you put it on your lips, you let it dry, and then you smack your lips together and then it gets glittery. So we'll see how that goes. It says apply, let set, and then your lips. While it's setting, I'm going to take my NYX eyeliner in Blanc. And then since it's a Coachella look, you literally can just jazz up your face however you'd like. I'm just gonna put this in the high points of my face, so on my eyebrows right here, and then I'm probably gonna put one on my lip, and then we'll see how that goes afterwards. And so at this point, you can literally do whatever you want to your face. I'm gonna put a little bit of white dots around my eyebrows, but a lot of people use like jewels or anything like that. You can literally get jewel kits from Amazon for about $5. So that's what a lot of people do. That's that. And then I might do like a little bit, mind you right now you guys, I'm freestyling. But this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna add some glitter. And you can't forget the glitter. This is the Color Effects. These are the glitter drops. This stuff, let me tell you guys, this stuff can get out of hand. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. And I think I'm gonna go over where I... finished look. This is my interpretation of a Coachella vibe. I mean, you could jazz it up any way you like. I just wanted to keep it a little bit simple. I was really feeling the purple vibe and the pops of yellow and white, so this is what I did. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I upload every Sundays and Thursdays. In the comments below, let me know, have you guys been to Coachella before? If so, what has been your favorite Coachella performance? Mine, like I touched on earlier today, was definitely Beychella. That was hands down, I think, the best performance I've ever seen in my life. So let me know. I'll see you guys later. Bye.